beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free indie who loves to play with makeup. Of course, you've been here before. Today's video is not this look. Nada. Actually, it was just me putting some makeup on. And if you see any no foundation missing right here, I have allergies right now. My allergies are kicking in really quickly this time around. Started Easter, man. Started on Easter, of course. But grab some coffee. Live life full bloom. Ain't that a cute couple? Okay. Mad will not mention any more of the allergies here. But yeah, the next I got something I want to try. I wanted to try it out for a while. I saw this brand on Amazon, and I said, yeah, I'll try it out and see how it goes. Well, I found out they have a website, and I thought, you know what, let's check it out. And I found out they have mystery boxes, which I like mystery boxes. To me, you spend a certain amount and you get more of the price. And it's what I like about Ipsy too. Like, even though they're a subscription brand with boxes and all of that, or bags, they have some really good deals for the price they have. But sometimes I like the full-size products more than, especially eyeshadow, you know. But I checked this brand out. Of course, I got it. It's the Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup. It's what the box came. It's what all the products came in here. Now they have different sizes of different boxes. They have $10 ones. They even have $50 ones. Each one is quite different. One of the palettes, like the higher ups, like $51 or $25 one, is only eyeshadow palettes. Other ones, it's a mixture. Some of them are the $10 one or the $15 one. They have just eyeliner and lipsticks. And this one is a combination that I got. I got a $25 one. It's $20 from I got, and I got eyeshadow and a lot of products. So very excited. Now, like I said, this is what the box came in, and I already opened it because I want to make sure that none of the products are broken or anything like that, because I'm weird that way. I kind of learned on Amazon. I kind of have to open them and just say, hey, this is what it looks like. But yeah, but luckily they did a really good job. Now this, it fit into my mailbox. It fit into my mailbox. They had it like this. Now, so yeah, of course, all of my information is down below, which of course I will put the link down below for you guys to see. You can check it out. So the first product, the eyeshadow palette they gave me is the Sunflower palette. It has 16 colors. Came into like this, and we think it's gonna be yellow, you know. Not really yellow. It's these colors. This one really doesn't speak sunflower to me. I would have to say, I would think yellow and some green and everything else would be pretty nice. But I don't know why. But there are a lot of mattes. They have 7 mattes, 8 shimmers, and 1 pressed glitter. So the pressed glitter is cobblestone, right? This shade right here, which is pretty. So I'm going to swatch these. So I'm just gonna do a couple of shimmers and a couple of mattes. Okay, we're just gonna do this. So I'm not the best swatcher here. Then the shimmers right here, as you can see, sorry, kind of weird how I did that. But you can see there's pigmentation there, which I do like with the shimmers. The shimmers are really pretty, nice and buttery. The mattes, I do not know how to feel about the mattes on this. But when I do, you know, there goes the dark color. That's really pretty. So I cannot wait to try this out. So prepare for a video on this one. I am going to do a 3-look video. Not a 3-look video, but 3 looks with this. And just give you a nice little review for this palette and tell you what I think. I did order this on April 14th. And it came on April 8th. No. April 16th. So that's on the Saturday that I got this. That's 2 days, and that's fast. That's fast, and I do like that. I like when a brand does that. Order it, you get it. Now, I thought I was gonna get one of each everything, but I did not. I got multiple. So they also gave me the Ozlet lip gloss, vitamin E lip gloss. It's cruelty-free, and it says peach flavor. So I'm not gonna open this at all. I'm gonna put it in a thing where I just, I really don't need lip glosses as much, because I really don't care for lip glosses. But you know what? Might as well put it somewhere. That's what I like to do. Now they gave me 2 eyeliners. One is just a liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna see what it looks like, because when it comes to eyeliners, I want to know how they look like. They are cruelty-free, so that's bad. So, liquid eyeline waterproof. So that's what it looks like. And oh, that's black. It's a little glossy, which is fine. Okay. For some reason, I keep having to do this for it to come out, but that's not bad. So it looks like it's not a matte, a true matte. It's like a semi-matte, semi-gloss. So that's not bad. That's something I really want to try right there. Another thing, I said lip glosses. I'm going to do lipsticks, but I didn't do that. I just did eyeliner. The other thing that they gave me is the Eye Makeup white eyeliner. I've been looking for a white eyeliner, a good one. Let's see what. Hey, that's a nice packaging. It has waterproof too, and long lasting. That's it. Oh, my color. Okay. Oh, that's what it looks like. Look like you can shake it up. Oh, so definitely white. So let's go see. That's, I don't know if you can see that, but that's white. Like next to that. That's not bad. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely white. So I'm definitely going to put this down. That's what you want to do with liquid eyeliner. Especially when you got pins like this. I'm going to put it down. And that's what I do with all my eyeliners. So that's not bad. For lipsticks, okay. For the lipsticks, they send me a baggie like this. So that's interesting. I'm not going to do lip swatches because I already am wearing a lip, but I need to do a video. So they gave me 4 lip products. Well, technically 5 lip products. So the thing they gave me is the matte lipstick. It's in number 4. It does not have a name. Now, it's cute. I like the heart. That's such a cute packaging. Oh, it has like a fruity smell to it. That's not bad. Ooh. Now, I like matte lipsticks. So we're just gonna. Oh, this is pretty. It's creamy. I like that, but it's matte. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. It snaps, and I do like that. Oh, that's so cute. I like the packaging. But that's definitely matte, how it looks like. It's like a semi-matte, but it's definitely pretty. Now they gave me a matte liquid lipstick, and this is the shade number 6 in Glossina? Oh, weird name. But this is supposed to be matte and long lasting and waterproof. Now I do like mattes that are waterproof. Like, not so much waterproof, but I like to be smudge proof. I like them to be transfer proof, much as possible. But glosses, I'm not so bad. I'm not worried about. But with mattes, I'm a particular about that. Paris. So it's the matte shade in Glossy Neon or Glossy. Oh, it's a berry color. That has a nice smell. Yeah, that has it's not a vanilla smell, like a fruity smell. It has more of like a fruit smell. That's not bad. I like that. I'm not going to swatch that because I don't want to. So that's not bad. The another one I got is another liquid lipstick. This is also, it's called Caramel or Caramel. I think it's Caramel. Another matte lipstick, it looks like. It's long lasting. It's what the shade's in the tube. It is a very light color. Still that smell. That's not bad, I like that one. That's definitely a nude color. So, kind of weird they got two different sizes of liquid lipsticks. I don't know. I don't care. The last product they sent me was is their glitter lipstick, and it's in the shade Deco Rose. Oh my, that's really glittery. Like glitter lipstick. What would I do with this? I'm just gonna open it, but nice. I think this is perfect for Halloween looks, so I'm definitely gonna keep it just for that. So that's it in the box for $20 for this. That's not bad. So I did try to look for the price for this on the website, but they don't have it. But there's other stores that I try to find for this palette and everything else. I probably link down below for you guys. But yeah, you get a palette. You get possible two liquid lipsticks, two liquid eyeliners, different colors of course, and you get 5 other lip products. So that's not bad, I will say. Here, I'm gonna put everything right here. That's not bad for $20. I think this is a steal. I think this is a good deal if you want to try our brand out, or you like mystery boxes. This is a steal. This is a good thing. So the other one they have is $25 or maybe a $50 one. You only get 3 palettes out of that. I'm gonna say that the higher one you get 3 palettes. The rest is just. But I can't wait to try this eyeshadow palette. So I'm definitely gonna do a 3-look palette, 3 looks with this, and do a review. And of course, I will do a review on this palette and see if the formula is there or not. But I really do like the shimmers, so I think this is a good deal. I like the packaging. I'm definitely going to get more yellow tone brown colors. I do want that in my collection because, you know. But yeah, for $20, like I said, it's a good deal to see how many products I got, and I like it. I like it that you get different styles of products. I'm glad you got waterproof liners because that's just awesome. So I'm definitely gonna take this out because I don't need glasses. I'm gonna give it to someone who wants it. So like I said, I like you get different styles of products. And yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you like mystery boxes, hit the like button. You want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. I'm telling you, just to like the video, I guess. I don't know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, or the Addict Makeup Addict squad, whatever you want to call it. We are drama-free and judgment-free. We don't put up with that stuff. We're here to have fun with makeup and have a blast. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and God bless. Bye!